Welcome to Introductory MATLAB course. In this video we will be presenting the course contents, environment, customization, and typical tasks such as help required when working on MATLAB. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe for future notifications. We have a brief outline of the course contents. The first part is Introduction to MATLAB and getting started with scripts, making variables, manipulating variables, and basic plotting. The second part is visualization and programming including functions, flow control, line plots, image and surface plots, efficient coding, and debugging. The third part will be solving equations, curve fitting, and numerical techniques, which includes linear algebra, polynomials, optimization, differentiation and integration, and differential equations. The fourth part will discuss advanced methods including probability and statistics, data structures, images, and file input and output. The last part is about various functions and toolboxes documentation, miscellaneous useful functions, graphical user interfaces, Simulink, symbolic toolbox, image processing and hardware interface. MATLAB can be thought of as a super powerful graphical calculator with many more buttons. We call them functions or methods. Like Python, Java, C++, MATLAB is a programming language with interpreter like Python, so instructions or commands written in a script are executed line by line. MATLAB is an interactive mathematical tool that allows calculations as well visualization of data. You will find MATLAB to be a powerful tool to use its hundreds of built-in functions. Since MATLAB is such a large and versatile application, familiarity with its environment is important. The common working areas include the present working directory, where the list of files are shown. When clicked on a file, its small details will be shown in the window below. We have a separate window for script writing and also have a command window. These are the windows where one is always working with. In the command window, mathematical operations can be performed one by one. In the case of script, a whole file is written and results are generated as desired. Finally, we can see the values of variables or sizes in a workspace window. To have a better experience of the MATLAB environment, we can add or remove items from menus and dialog boxes, change display, font size, and color and autosave settings. This is done through environment and setting the preference. We can also customize the quick access bar, toolstrip, quick insert menu, library browser, context menus, dialog boxes, and more in the Simulink environment. Add-ons encompass a wide variety of resources, including products, apps, support packages, and toolboxes. They extend the capabilities of MATLAB with functionality for additional tasks and applications. To find and install add-ons, go to the Home tab and, in the Environment section, click the Add-ons icon. The Add-on Explorer opens and displays the list of available add-ons. For this course, the recommended toolboxes are as shown. You can add according to your requirements. Folders allow the programs to be organized. We can make a new folder in the present working directory or some other directory using the make-dir command with proper arguments, or use the Browse button next to the file path. Clicking on the New Folder button and then Rename would allow to make a new folder. An organized folder structure allows you to track required files for a given topic. The most important command if you're determined to learn MATLAB yourself. Help followed by function name results information in command window. To prevent long descriptions from scrolling off the screen before you have time to read them, enter more on, and then enter the help statement. All MATLAB functions have supporting documentation that includes examples and describes the function inputs, outputs, and calling syntax. There are several ways to access this information from the command line, or one can open the function documentation in a separate window using the doc command. For example, docsyn will open the syn function help documentation including its name, syntax, input arguments, and outputs. The documentation also provide examples and behavior of the function for vectorized inputs. Scripts are files having collection of commands or instructions written in the editor. The commands are executed in sequence line by line as the MATLAB use interpreter. The scripts are saved as M file, that is, with .m extension. M files can be created by typing edit file name.m command or clicking the new script button at the top left of the ribbon. Anything following %sign is interpreted as comment. The first contiguous comments becomes the help. To mark the begging of a code block or segment, use %%. We have Hello World example for you. At the command editor write, edit helloworld.m. A new file helloworld.m will open in the editor. Type the code as shown. Save and run the program. It will display Hello World. This is my first MATLAB program. There are several other important commands such as save, load, clear and CLC. The save command is used for saving all or desired variables in file with .mat extension. The syntax is save, file name followed by the list of variables. The load command loads the file to the workspace with the variables names as were saved through save command. The clear command clears the workspace. The clear ABC clears the variables ABC and the clear all command clears all variables form workspace or the memory. The CLC command clears the command window or screen. We presented with the course contents, followed by the MATLAB environment and how to create folders and run MATLAB scripts. We will be covering variables and basic plotting in the next video. If the contents are appealing to you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for future notifications. Thank you.